Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, it's not so much about exercise as far as me showing you some new techniques. Today is more about how to exercise and get over the anxiety of going to the gym or exercising in front of a lot of people. I have a number of clients that wish their spouses would come exercise, but one of the things that seems a common theme is I don't want everybody looking at me, or what if people start to make fun of me, or what if I'm not dressed the right way, and all this kind of stuff. And it's anxiety. It's up here. So, quick disclaimer, I am not a doctor. I'm not a mental health professional. I've just been in the fitness industry for the last 31 years. So this is my take and my observation of seeing a lot of people that are really nervous and heightened anxiety about going to the gym. So this video isn't for those that have already been to the gym and they're just nervous about using the machines. This video is not for you, because if you've already made it to the gym, that's awesome. If you're nervous about the machines, hopefully the fitness center you go to has staff that can help you out, and that way to take away some of that anxiety, because you definitely don't want to get injured while you do it. It's a pretty common anxiety or fear that people have, although it's not very realistic. And I say that because, don't take this the wrong way, but you're not as important as you think you are. Neither am I. I mean, our friends, family, coworkers, acquaintances, they care about us. Everybody else is a stranger that doesn't even know you exist. So how could they actually care that you are there? Unless, of course, you send out a mass email or text telling people to show up. Still, it doesn't make any sense. The first thing you should do is take your ego and put it in one of those little boxes with the keys, money clip, whatever, at the gym, because you don't need it. Once again, people that are working out are there for their health, to look better, get rid of stress, whatever reason they're there, but they're there for themselves. They're not there for you. You're not going to be the center of attention. I've taken people around the gym, showed them how to use some machines, and then I'll stop and say, hey, let's look around. What do you see? They don't say anything because nobody's paying attention. Nobody has ever been paying attention to somebody that I've taken around the facility, and they think that there's going to be a lot of people judgmental and looking at them and all this stuff. It's never happened. I've been doing this for 31 years. I've never seen people care about what other people are doing at the gym. Now, there are exceptions to that. If you're the type of asshole that's going to be making a lot of noise, slamming stuff around, sounding like you're breaking the machines, and drawing a lot of attention to yourself, of course you're being a douchebag. People are going to look. The second type of person is the one that doesn't know what they're doing, and it looks like they're going to hurt themselves or accidentally break the machine. Once again, those people should ask the staff how to use it properly. And third is typically, unless you're just so fine, so beautiful, combined with dressing inappropriately, that you get attention from members looking at you like, wait a second, are they at the beach or at the gym? Those kind of things, yeah. But if you don't fall in those three categories, no one's going to care that you're there. And you shouldn't either, except for what you're trying to get out of going to the gym. So if you are that worried about going to the gym, go with a workout buddy. Misery loves company. That way you two could talk to each other, have fun that way. And that way you both could look around the gym and notice how nobody's paying attention to you guys. So, if you're at the gym and you see me, you're probably going to have to come up to me and say, hey, because I won't notice you're there. So get moving, get to it. Remember, put food in its place and get that body in motion.